How to hyperlink an email address in Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can hyperlink an email address on a Word document. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up your Word document where you want to hyperlink your email address. For example, I have this email address right here that we want to hyperlink. So here you have to select this email. Once done, head towards the toolbar at the top of this interface and from there go to Insert. And under Insert, you have to search for Link, which you will find at this section, and click on Link. After that, you will have this pop-up box in your interface. Here, navigate to your left-hand side and click on Email Address. And under this text field that says Email Address, you have to type in your email address. Once done, under this text box that says text to display, you can remove this mail to end semicolon. And once you have done with that, all you have to do is click on OK. And with that, you can see now the mail has been hyperlinked. And if you hover your mouse over there, you will have this pop-up in your interface that says mail to your email address. And if you click Ctrl plus left click, and there you can see it will open an application to open this link. So that's how you can add hyperlink to an email address on Word. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.